Is TimeBucks a legitimate way to make money online? Stay tuned to find out. Hey guys, this is Drew Gallagher, and today I'm going to tell you if TimeBucks is a legit way to make money online. So what is Time? So TimeBucks is this site where you can do surveys, you can watch videos, you can post to TikTok and Instagram and do all these different things, and you can earn money. It's really cool. So I'm going to walk you through TimeBucks and some of the different ways you can make money using this platform. And then I'll let you know if I think it's a legit platform or not. So I'm on the dashboard. I signed up with my email address and a custom password. You can sign in with Facebook too. It's a really easy way to sign up. If I want to start earning, what I can do is I can go to the earn box here and I can click on that. And there's all these different options. So you can do surveys. So you have to look at these different types of content. So engagement, slideshows, etc. You can post to TikTok. You can watch different videos. You can try to earn points on what are called the offer walls. So you can complete these different tasks within these different apps based on the device you have, and then you can earn points. You can also roll and get a random number, and then based on your roll, you'll get paid out a certain. So you can roll 0 up to almost 90,000 and make only a fraction of a penny. And the highest level, you can make $10 between this range. So you might think, oh, that's not very much, but it's free. All you have to do is click this button, and then it's going to roll. You have to complete at least 10 tasks to roll for free money. So you have to do that first. There's all kinds of tasks to complete on the website, and it renews every 24 hours. You can do it once every 24 hours. You can complete CAPTCHAs and earn a fraction of a penny for that. You can vote doing quizzes. So you can complete like a would you rather quiz, different things like that. So there's so many different ways to make money on here. And as you can see, you're making only a fraction of a cent typically. So one of the more popular ways to make money on here would be by watching videos. So you can create an account on hideout.tv, or you can like watch some of these videos from these sites and you can earn a fraction of a penny. Here you're earning a higher amount, but it's still a fraction. However, this adds up as passive income, because once you start watching a video and you're watching ads, you get paid for every 3 video ads. If you have a bunch of these tabs in the background and they're not interfering with your day, you have the volume down, you can actually make a lot of money as long as it's an active thing that's running and collecting you money and you're logged in. Now you do have to follow these requirements. So you have to watch every 3 video ads, and then it pays 10% higher for this offer than any other site in the world. That's pretty cool. And you have to click the sign up button on Hideout TV, and then you can sign in and choose TimeBucks as your reward partner. And there's actually a lot of different sites like TimeBucks where you can use Hideout TV, so that one is consistent across the board. So although you're not going to be making a ton of money for each task, the tasks are really easy and they don't really take much thinking or training like a regular job. And this is something you can do on the side when you have downtime at work, or you just want to make money after work, or before work, or on the weekends or something. Especially if you just turn on a video and walk away and it's still running, you got your computer running. This can actually add up to a lot of money over time. It's not going to happen overnight. Who knows? You might make 10 to 20 bucks if you have a ton of different videos running, and that might add up. You might make that in one day, and then that adds up, over time. Between that and rolls and signups, if you did all of these things every day, you would make a legitimate amount of money. You'd have to treat it as your legitimate job, though. Another great way to earn money on TimeBucks is you can refer people. So basically what you do is you have this referral link, and it has your ID. So every time one of the people that you refer earns $10, you earn $1.50. So what you could do is you could find people online that like paid surveys, whether it's your friends or people in different groups on Reddit, and you don't just want to spam. You want to talk to people and get to know them, like message them a couple times, then say, hey, I found this really cool site you can make money on, and tell them that it's legit, and you watch this video. And then basically you can get them to sign up, and they could be making money like you. And if they start earning money, then you'll also earn money. And that can actually add up a lot. So what you can do is you can actually probably run an ad, and the ad could go find people that like paid surveys and make money online opportunities on different platforms. You could use things like Facebook or Instagram or YouTube. You have to comply with the ad policies, but you could say, hey, learn this great way to take surveys and help people out, or something like that. Don't talk about the money, just talk about the opportunity. And then you can find all these new people for fractions of a penny that are going to click in, and you're going to end up building this passive income over time. So this is a great way to add on to the tasks that you're already completing to earn money. So you might be wondering how you get paid on TimeBucks. Well, there are tons of different payment methods. So you can do Bitcoin, you can do Skrill. AirTM, which you can collect a PayPal payment through them, but it's not directly through PayPal. You can do a bank transfer, you can do Payoneer. So they're all here below, and it has an explanation about PayPal. And you can just pick one. It's super easy to integrate. Just follow the instructions. If you need help, talk to the support team. But you're getting paid in cash, you know, it's not just digital points. There are some things where you're earning digital points and you can cash those in for money, but this is a great way to get actual cash from completing tasks that don't take any thinking. So you might be wondering, is this a legit way to make money? Are you going to make a lot of money doing this? If you put your sweat and tears into this, you will make some money, but you're not really going to make a full-time income. And honestly, you'd probably be better off getting a full-time job. So you might be wondering, why do I suggest this? Well, a lot of people are always looking for a side hustle or something they can do passively, especially like if you turn on the videos and you just want to make some extra cash every month to hang out with your friends or get drinks or maybe pay, you know, a cable bill or something like that. And this could be a great way to do that, especially if you don't have time to, you know, be somewhere and drive to a place and work somewhere and have to follow the rules and dress up, and you know, it takes time away from your family. You could just be sitting on the couch watching TV and you got a video on the background running and you have your volume down on the computer and you're collecting money. So there's a lot of great ways to make money on TimeBucks. I think it's definitely something to explore if you're looking to make money online. However, there are much better passive ways to make money online. You can make money while you sleep if you set up the right digital systems to find customers that are willing to pay for a product that you sell, whether that's through affiliate marketing, consulting, you know, SEO, agency services, all different types of things. You know, if you're interested in e-commerce, creating your own store, you know, referring people to other products and then collecting, you know, 50% of that commission and stuff like that, and you want to make 6 to 7 figures online, then that is the place you want to go to make money. So if you want to make 6 to 7 figures online, you want to learn how to do that, I'm going to help you do that. I have a link in my description. If you want to learn more by subscribing to my email list, then go to drewbusinessaccelerator.com/freedom. I'll put the link in the description and on this video. You can go there, you can opt into my list, and you can start getting emails on the best ways to learn how to make 6 to 7 figures online. I'll also have a training there for you where you can learn from the marketing pros that taught me to market how I am right now. Thank you so much for listening. If you liked this video and you thought it was valuable, hit that like button. I'd really appreciate it if you subscribed to me. I'll be releasing more and more content to help you make more money online, to manage your money, and to be successful in your life. Thank you so much. Peace out. Hey, thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate it. If you liked the content in this video and want to see more videos like this, please click the subscribe button. Make sure to click the little bell icon and turn on all notifications so when I come out with new content, you'll be notified.